Before we get into the account verification, we are going to create a middleware to check if a user account is being verified. Let's get back to the users model and let's look at the property that we are going to check or to verify. We have a property called isEmailVerified. By default, it is false. And as it stands right now, we can create a post without being verified. So we are going to create a middleware to check if user's email is verified. So let's get into the middlewares, and we have a logic to check for user's plan. It's going to be the same by different property. So let's copy and paste and change to isAccount verified. And let me close this and rename this one to isAccount verified. So here we're gonna get the login user and find the user. And over here we're gonna check what is called isEmailVerified. And that is, if the user email is not verified, then we're gonna throw an error by sending this. So here let's throw an error as throw new error. So here we need to throw an error from the check users plan instead of using this. So here copy this and throw new error and then paste that. Alright, so let's go ahead and then pass this middleware to the create router for the post, which is this one. And after the authentication and after we check the user's plan, we can go ahead and bring in the middleware as that. So with this one, it goes like this. First, we will check if a user is logged in. Then we will check the user's plan, and also we will check the user's account if it is verified before we go ahead and then create the post. With this one, let's try out. In the create post, I'm gonna send this. I think I have to provide the form data, and we have it here. And the category doesn't exist, so let me check for the categories. List of categories. I think my server is not running. And let me try again. Copy this, create, provide this, and let's send. Well, I think we have something wrong with the middleware. So in the middleware for the account verification, oh sorry, this one's supposed to be using the response. I thought I'm inside a normal controller. So over here, let me bring it back to the rest.this than to use throwing of an error and provide this one. And let's remove this. And now on the post router, let's try again. And now I got the message as action denied, email not verified. But we saw 200, meaning that everything is okay. So let's pass in the status code as status, and we will say that 401, and then let's try again. And now unauthorized. Likewise, the check user plan, provide the status code 401, not authorized. Let's try. Awesome. Now it is working. What has left is that we need to verify the account before creating a post.